Since we don't have any grouping, let's go ahead and figure out what operation we do first. We've got division, multiplication, division. Since division and multiplication are equal, we'll go left to right. We'll start with this. Negative 5 divided by negative 3. Positive 5/3. Minus 2 times negative 1/3 minus 21 divided by 7. Now we'll do multiplication right here. 5/3. Got negative 2 times negative 1/3. So I'm going to kind of write it out up here. So I've got 2 over 1 times 1/3 equals 2/3. If I come back, I've got negative 2 times negative 1/3, and I get positive 2/3 minus 21 divided by 7. This time around, I'll do the division. 5/3 plus 2/3. And that's before I put minus, let's see. Negative 21 divided by positive 7 is negative 3, so it is minus. Now we've got plus and minus, we'll go left to right. 5/3 minus 2/3 is 3/3 minus 3. Well, that's 1 minus 3, which equals negative 2. Such a small number for this big, long expression. Let's look at number 8. We got brackets in this one. We've got, inside the brackets, we've got grouping, grouping. That is not grouping. It's just a negative 8. There's not an operation inside to do. So we'll do the grouping. We've got negative 12 minus 2. That would be negative 14. Plus 1 plus 8 is 9. Divided by negative 8. All right, so I completed the operations inside. Let me do the next. We'll do division first. So negative 14. We've got positive and a negative, so it's going to be a negative 9 divided by 8. 9/8. Negative 14 minus 9/8. So let's convert that to an improper fraction. Ends up being negative 14 minus 1 1/8. Let's figure it out with some scrap paper. 14 minus 1 1/8. We don't have anything up here to take away 1/8, so we're going to have to regroup. 14 becomes 13, and then we'll take that other one and we'll break it into 8/8. So we still have 14. It's just that one of the 14s is built out of 8s and not a whole. 8/8 minus 1/8 is 7/8. 13 minus 1 is 12. Back over 12 and 7/8. This is 12 and 7/8. Now let's bring down the rest. 1/2 times. 1/2 times 12 and 7/8. All right then, so let's do 1/2 times, we'll convert that. 8 times 12 is 96. 97, 98, 99, 100, 100, 1, 2, 3. Let me make sure I got that right. 16, 96, 100, yeah, that's right. So I cannot reduce, I can't cross reduce, there's nothing. equals 103 over 16. That's not reducible either. We'll have to straight out divide. All right, so let's turn this over here. We're going to do 103 divided by 16. Our answer will be in mixed number form. We're not going to do decimals. We'll just put our remainder in the fraction form. 16 does not go into 1 or 10, so it goes into 103. Oh, goodness. 20 times 5. I'm going to try 6. What's 16 times 6? 6 is 36. 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, it's 6. 96. Subtract. We get 7. You should regroup, by the way. So there, it's 6 with not a remainder, with a 7 over 16. Let's go back here. We have equals 6, 7/16, just like that. And here 8 is 6 and 7/16. Number 11, right here. Sure I copied it okay? I believe I did. Inside the brackets we have 2 groupings. We'll do those first. 3 times 9 is 27. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 27 minus 3 is 24. So let me bring down the rest. We have 30 times 24 plus negative 32. I'm just going to put minus 32. The first thing I'll do is multiply these. So let's see. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6, 7, and the 0. 720 minus 32. That will involve regrouping. 8, 11, 10, 9, 8, 6. See if I got that right. So 10, 11, 10, 9, 8. All right then, 688. The answer for number 11 is 688. Just like that.